If you want to set a photo on cover screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to go to the cover screen settings. Then here we're gonna tap on add new in order to then choose the gallery option. You can for example tap on this arrow here to proceed to the gallery. Now I'm gonna choose this photo as an example. I'm gonna tap on done. There we go. You should still be able to make some adjustments, like you can zoom in and zoom out and reposition the photo. We can find some additional options available in here, like for example the effect. We can scroll through all of these different effects to apply something. You can also choose the frame. You can get suggestions. You can also apply a weather. So you can for example get the local weather and it's going to be applied. There we go. Like for example here we have the snow. And of course if you want you can turn it off. And then just tap on the done in the upper right corner, and now we have applied the cover screen. So now let's take a look how it looks like. And there we go. So leave a like and subscribe.